going guys? I'm gonna apologize for this one because my sisters are just making it. So I just duplicated the worship background and deleted the mask. Of course, I'll add a new mask to it so that it will fit inside. So let's delete this part smoothly. Remember, decrease the opacity to 30 or something percent, okay? And then of course I'm going to steal this because I don't have it here. I'm sorry guys, you're gonna have to download this background online. Yeah. So I place the worship background on top, of course, making sure that they are all under the gradient map, okay? Yeah, making sure of that too. Of course, I'll add this background, this lighting effect kind of style to it. Of course, sure. I'll duplicate that, bring it down, sweep vertical, and then group them. Of course, why wouldn't I? And then I'm going to add some, of course, gosh, and you have to hide it with a black mask and then repaint it again. So like 6% flow is okay, and then paint it. Of course, you're gonna have to do this. If you don't, I mean, you're not going to achieve what you want. So you first hide the layer and then you bring it back with the mask. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm going to add this man, my main man, okay. Yeah. So in the making, I have to add some borderlines to it. Yes, guidelines to show. So if you don't want to know where the ruler is, you have to get your ruler first. So the ruler is at the view tab. So yeah, be sure to check that out. Okay, so what else? I'll add the new energetic man of God, the host, of course. Yeah, and then I'll just group them. Yeah. Very simple and slick. Yeah. That's perfect. What can I add next? So I have to fade fade them to fit inside the project, okay, the background. Of course, I have to do that. It is very, very important to do this, unless of course, okay, I don't know, but yeah, we still have to do it. And of course embed that hazy effect on top so that the how do you call the text can sit on. That's what we just did with the brush, okay. And then we go inside and then add the Gaussian blur to it. Yes, make it look nice. Yeah, okay, bring it down like so. So I would then pick select all of them and then bring it down a little bit. Yeah, of course. Okay.